Singapore Airlines Flight SQ321 operating from London Heathrow to Singapore on 20 May 2024 encountered severe turbulence en route. The aircraft diverted to Bangkok and landed at 15:45 hours local time on 21st May 2024. Airline confirms that there are injuries and one fatality on board the Boeing 777-300ER. Singapore Airlines offers its deepest condolences to the family of the deceased. This unfortunate incident underscores the importance of adhering to the safety protocols during the flight, remaining vigilant, particularly during this period of turbulence. Airlines consistently prioritize the passenger safety, and incidents such as this serves as a reminder of unpredictable nature of air travel. Singapore Airlines is providing support to affected passengers and their family during this challenging time, including assistance with medical care, accommodation, and any other necessary arrangements.